Hi, Assalamu alaikum to all the Muslim country and good morning to American peoples, Israeli peoples and India. I'm Muhammad Oliullah requesting from Bangladesh. I'm ready with my army and my peoples and and I'm telling Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Dubai, the money is not issue. You need peoples. We have millions army, fully training, ready to fight with American army and the ground. So if Iran need army, contact me. I will send millions army, fight against America. We're not talking about thousands or 100,000s. We're talking about millions armies. We're ready to send it in Middle East, fight against American government. They are terrorists. America is a terrorist. So we don't want terrorists in our land. In our Muslim land, we don't want to see any terrorists. Terrorists come from other land. We on the same land, Bangladesh, in same land with Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia. America come from another land, try to make their territory in our land. So we don't respect them. We disrespect them. Fuck them, motherfuckers. They try to take us. They try to show us their rich. They're not rich. They're fucking break, motherfucker. America. So we're gonna fuck them up. So I'm telling all of the Muslim countries getting up together. We're gonna fuck them up. They always underestimate Muslims. They try to kill all the Muslims. So we not care about them. We say fuck American peoples who are non-Muslim. If Muslim America, we respect you. Assalamu alaikum. You are my brothers. I love you. But do Christians try to kill us? Let's start a war. The war gonna be start from now. From now, Israel, Netanyahu gonna understand what is the Philistine stand for. You understand? And America, Joe Biden. You see my video, you better know Bangladesh with Philistine. Bangladesh with Islam brothers, Islam brotherhood. You understand, America? Fuck you, motherfucker. See you in the future. Look at my video and think about killing me. Alright? You understand me, motherfucker? All of my brothers, you are mostly welcome in Bangladesh. You Muslim, you mostly welcome in Bangladesh. Bangladesh army will be flight there very soon. Very soon. Soon as you contact me, soon as I send Bangladesh army in Iran, Palestine. Inshallah. La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. We believe in Allah. We love Islam and we are Muslim. That's it. Allah Hafiz. Today, October 5th, 2024, American time. Morning, 10 o'clock. I'm uploading this video. And I'm uploading this video international. All the country can see it. And all the Muslim brother, get up. Who is a terrorist? America is the most terrorist around the world. America is the terrorist country. America is a terrorist. Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Qatar, Iraq, Iran, they are not a terrorist. Bangladesh not a terrorist. Pakistan not a terrorist. Terrorist is America. So fuck the terrorists up. This is Islam, inshallah.